Here we go, it's showtime for the Vetbox Containers Factory Stocks. Ricky Bledsoe quickly to the outside, into 1 and 2, Jim Kuehn on the bottom, going out of 2 down the back straightaway. Jim Kuehn has him by a nose, but Bledsoe has him better going into 3 and 4 on the outside. Daniel Denton going all the way top side, lap number 1. We'll go to the 20 RB of Ricky Bledsoe. Lap number 1 is in the books. Bledsoe, your lap number 1 leader. Bledsoe leads us going down on the back straightaway. Here comes the 24 of Aaron Kuehn. Aaron Kuehn going down the back straightaway, looking to go on the outside to Jim Kuehn in the J4. Jim shoves Aaron up the track and falls back. Here's the 22K of Kevin Wasserman. Wasserman looking to go inside of the 24 of Aaron Kuehn into 1 and 2 on the bottom. Into second, they're challenging down the back straightaway. Here comes Aaron Kuehn on the bottom, looking to go to the inside of his Jim. Jim Kuehn on the tail bumper of Ricky Bledsoe of your leader, as Aaron is still right there in pursuit of Jim for second. Down the back straightaway into 3 and 4. And a left rear flat on the 41 of Shawn Brownlee as he's slowing up going into turn 3. Maybe he can turn it off down to the infield, and not enough time. Yellow coming out, a flat on the 41 of Shawn Brownlee. Yellow coming out for the 41 of Shawn Brownlee with a flat. All right, here we go. Lights back off. Or we go green here out of 4. 11 remain, and it's back. Woo, look out, it's time to get down and tech. Ricky Bledsoe back with a good lead, going top side in 1 and 2 down the back straightaway. The 24 of Aaron Kuehn with a better restart. He's working on the inside of the J4 of Jim Kuehn. And oh, your leader goes sideways. Chain reaction down the whole field. Ricky Bledsoe, one false move. That put the J4 of Jim Kuehn to the point. And around goes Bledsoe. Trouble. We got 2 parked. And Bledsoe's parked. Oh, man. One eye here, one eye there. Yee, doggy. All righty, here we go. We're going to go back green here out of turn number 4. Jim Kuehn will lead us, and we're back underway with 11 laps remaining. Aaron Kuehn slipping back to third. 3-way challenge for the lead. 44 working on the bottom, and Jonathan Hightower got sideways, and Derek Arnett just got door slammed. Oh, man. All right, here we go. Showtime. Daniel Denton with a good challenge for the lead here of Jim Kuehn. And oh, he drove it right up the track, and he goes sideways into 2, and he's falling like a rock. Fish out of water, that one false move. We've seen it so many times here in this race, as that'll keep Jim Kuehn as the lead. And oh, Randall Sessions in 3 and 4. 360s to the bottom, to the infield, and we stay in green. He's in the infield. Oh, and it looks like he's going to try and rejoin us on the track. Whew, thank goodness he's stuck. Aaron Kuehn, now you're a leader, leading Jim here on the front straightaway, going into 1 and 2. Aaron leading on the bottom. Jim running in second down the back straightaway. Huston Garrison and Double D right there. Here comes a 41 of Shawn Brownlee challenging for the 5th spot of the 22K of Kevin Wasserman. Shawn Brownlee right there working the 22K down the back straightaway for the 5th spot. Double D right in front of Wasserman. Wasserman going to try to cross up underneath him down the front straightaway. Now here comes the 41 of Shawn Brownlee. Here comes Wasserman on the inside of Double D. Slider in 1 and 2. Double D tried to cross him up out of 2 down the back straightaway. Didn't stick. That'll put Wasserman up to 4th. And now Brownlee working Double D. He got up into the behind of Double D. Double D was able to charge away from it, though. Here comes Brownlee on the inside of Double D into 1 and 2. Brownlee wasn't able to make the bottom work. Double D able to sail away from Brownlee momentarily into 1 and 2. Jim Kuehn still running hard, challenging Aaron Kuehn for the lead, and on the bottom of 1 and 2. Here comes a 22K of Wasserman for third. Down the back straightaway, side by side. Wasserman on the outside. Huston Garrison on the bottom into 3 and 4. Garrison working on the inside lane, catfish style. Kevin living large, top side all around Tulsa Speedway. There he goes, making the run for third. Lights up the NOS Energy Turbo and got it. He's up to third, the 22K of Kevin Wasserman. Huston Garrison got a stronger run there. Catfishing worked for him on that lap, as Kevin Wasserman still doing all he can to get around on the top side. Losing ground. Here comes Double D now on the tail bumper of Kevin Wasserman. Everybody's starting to see that the bottom is more effective here with 2 to go. 2 laps remaining for the J4, for the 24 of Aaron Kuehn. Down the back straightaway, Aaron leads Jim by about 3 car lengths. It's still going to town for third. Huston Garrison on the bottom. Kevin Wasserman on the outside. White flag one more time around for the J24 of Aaron Kuehn. For the final time of the night, down the back straightaway and into 3 and 4. He's going into 3 and out of turn number 4. Your Vetbox Containers Factory Stocks main event winner, Aaron Kuehn, Jim Kuehn, Huston Garrison, Shawn Brownlee, Daniel Denton, Double D, Dwayne Davis. And, oh, can Kevin get it done? Nope, no sirree. Then it'll go to Jeffrey Lynch and Kevin Wasserman rounding him out. So with that, that'll wrap us up tonight. Night number 1 of our 3-day thriller weekend.